Do you ever dream of a world where litter box duty becomes a distant memory? A world where your feline majesty can, use the facilities in peace, and you can reclaim your precious scooping time? Well, friends, that world exists, thanks to the wonders of automatic litter boxes. In this video, we'll dive deep into the top 6 automatic litter boxes of 2024. We'll explore the features of each box, discuss their pros and cons, and help you find the perfect fit for your whiskered companion and your lifestyle. So grab a cup of something refreshing, settle in, and let's revolutionize your cat's bathroom experience. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing. So let's get started. Number 6. Petkit Pura X. The Petkit Pura X is a sleek and modern automatic litter box designed for design-conscious cat owners. This high-tech marvel features a completely enclosed design with a hidden waste compartment, keeping odors at bay and maintaining a clean aesthetic in your home. The Pura X utilizes a unique disposable tray system that eliminates the need for messy scooping and frequent litter changes. Once your cat uses the box, the waste automatically separates from the clean litter and falls into a disposable tray within the unit. This tray is easily accessible from a drawer at the front, allowing for quick and hygienic disposal. Beyond convenience, the Pura X boasts impressive self-cleaning capabilities. After each use, a rotating drum sifts through the litter, separating waste and ensuring a fresh environment for your cat. The unit also boasts a built-in deodorizer that neutralizes any lingering odors, keeping your home smelling fresh. The Pura X is a great option for cat owners who prioritize a stylish and low-maintenance solution. However, it's important to factor in the ongoing cost of disposable trays, which can add up over time. Number 5. Petkit Pura Max. Looking for an automatic litter box that can handle multiple cat households? Look no further than the Petkit Pura Max. This powerhouse boasts a spacious design and a larger waste compartment compared to the Pura X, making it ideal for busy homes with several feline residents. Similar to its smaller sibling, the Pura Max utilizes a disposable tray system for effortless waste disposal. After each use, the waste gets separated and deposited into a hidden compartment, keeping your home free of unpleasant smells. The automatic sifting mechanism ensures the litter remains fresh and eliminates the need for daily scooping. The Pura Max also comes equipped with an infrared sensor that detects when your cat enters and exits the box. This triggers the automatic cleaning cycle only after your cat has finished using it, ensuring optimal efficiency and minimizing noise. Additionally, the Pura Max boasts a handy app connectivity feature that allows you to monitor the litter box remotely, track your cat's bathroom habits, and receive refill alerts. With its focus on multi-cat households and its smart features, the Petkit Pura Max is a compelling option for cat parents who value convenience, cleanliness, and remote monitoring capabilities. Number 4. CatGenie Self Washing. If you're looking for a truly revolutionary solution to litter box woes, then the CatGenie Self Washing Self-Flushing Cat Box might be your holy grail. Unlike traditional automatic litter boxes, the CatGenie employs a unique water-based system. After your cat uses the box, a rake-like device automatically gathers the waste and deposits it into a dedicated waste receptacle. The real magic happens next. The CatGenie then goes through a multi-step washing cycle, utilizing fresh water and a specially formulated cleaning solution to thoroughly sanitize the entire litter basin. This eliminates the need for scooping, litter changes, and even manual cleaning of the box itself. Finally, the wastewater is flushed away, just like a human toilet. The CatGenie offers undeniable convenience and eliminates the need for messy litter changes. However, it requires a dedicated plumbing connection, which might not be feasible for all households. Additionally, the initial cost of the unit is on the higher end compared to traditional automatic litter boxes. Number 3. PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro. The PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro self-cleaning litter box is a budget-friendly option that offers a reliable and effective solution for automatic litter box needs. This popular model utilizes disposable crystal litter that absorbs and dehydrates waste, effectively eliminating odors and minimizing the need for frequent changes. After your cat uses the box, a rake-like mechanism automatically sweeps the waste tray, depositing it into a disposable tray located within the unit. This tray is easily accessible and can be replaced when full, ensuring a clean and hygienic environment for your cat. The ScoopFree Crystal Pro is known for its quiet operation and its ease of use. It's a great choice for cat owners who are new to automatic litter boxes or those on a tighter budget. However, it's important to note that the crystal litter requires more frequent refills compared to traditional clumping litter. Additionally, the disposable tray system adds an ongoing cost to consider. Number 2. Litter Robot 3 Open Air. The Litter Robot 3 Open Air Automatic Litter Box is a classic in the world of automatic litter boxes, known for its reliability and innovative design. This popular model features a rotating globe that separates waste from clean litter after each use. The waste is then deposited into a waste drawer, while the clean litter remains in the globe, ensuring a fresh environment for your cat. The Litter Robot 3 boasts a spacious design that can accommodate most cat breeds. Additionally, the open-air design allows for easy entry and exit for your feline friend. This model also features multiple sensors that detect when your cat enters and exits the box, triggering the cleaning cycle only when necessary. This helps to minimize noise and ensure energy efficiency. The Litter Robot 3 is a solid choice for cat owners who prioritize a reliable and efficient automatic litter box solution. However, the open-air design might not be ideal for all households, as some cat owners might prefer an enclosed unit for better odor control. Additionally, the initial cost of the unit is on the higher end compared to some other options on this list. Number 1. Litter Robot 4. The crown jewel of automatic litter boxes in 2024. The Litter Robot 4 builds upon the success of its predecessor and offers a range of innovative features for the ultimate feline lavatory experience. This high-tech marvel boasts a completely redesigned enclosure with improved odor control and a sleek, modern aesthetic. Similar to the Litter Robot 3, the Litter Robot 4 utilizes a rotating globe system for waste separation. However, the new design features a carbon filter and a deodorizer that work together to neutralize even the strongest litter box odors. Additionally, the waste drawer is larger, reducing the frequency of emptying and minimizing mess. The Litter Robot 4 also takes convenience to the next level with its Wi-Fi connectivity. Through a dedicated app, you can monitor the litter box remotely, receive notifications when the waste drawer is full, and even track your cat's bathroom habits. This allows you to stay informed and proactive in your cat's care. While the Litter Robot 4 boasts impressive features and functionality, it comes at a premium price point. However, for cat owners who value cutting-edge technology, convenience, and ultimate odor control, the Litter Robot 4 is a compelling investment. So there you have it, cat lovers. Our exploration of the top 6 automatic litter boxes of 2024. With a variety of options to choose from, there's a perfect solution for every cat owner and every budget. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more informative pet content, and let us know in the comments which automatic litter box has piqued your interest the most.